How you doing, guys? Keith here, Keith's Garage. Today we're going to be trying to revive this old G8 that's under here. I bought a new battery for it, and really, I think that's all it needs. I don't know, it hasn't run in a little while, and I need a new car cover. This car cover it's falling apart. Look, it's just totally worn out right here. But the battery in this car is in the trunk, and the trunk's locked. All right, so you guys gonna get a special treat. Car should already be unlocked. It is. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to get in the trunk when the trunk's locked, because there's no so I'm gonna show you how to get in the trunk when the trunk is closed and locked and there's no power to it, because you'll see there is no keyhole anywhere on here. So what you got to do, get inside the car, put this centerpiece down. You would think, you think that's the centerpiece coming down. Nope, the whole thing comes down. There's a button on top. Come on, whole guy comes down. Yeah, you got your cup holders. Got a nice flat thing here for I don't know what. But if you look here, there's a little pull handle. Pull that handle. You hear it pop. That's the trunk that opened. So now, oh, look at the dirt on there. All right. So there you go. And that's where the battery should go. Like I said, I have a new battery. Here's the battery tray. I need to go get a wrench that fits this. And I'm also going to put, I don't have it here, I'm going to put a cutoff switch on one of these cables. But let's go inside, get the wrench for this, get the cutoff switch, and the battery. Let me show you the battery. These batteries are not inexpensive. This thing was almost $200 right here. It's AGM. It's an H7. It weighs probably 40 pounds maybe. It is a heavy sucker. So we're gonna get this guy installed, see if it starts up, and then once I do that, there's one other thing I want to see if I can get done. I might just do a little extra different video on it. I don't know where the part is. The gas door won't open, and oh, here is this it? Yeah. And here's the part. I had to buy it used. You can't buy them new. Oh man! And they cut the wire. This is a little actuator, a little motor, pushes this thing in and out. Anyway, hopefully it works. I tried looking online for a new one. Couldn't find a new one. Had to buy a used one. And I didn't notice that now that I'm looking at it, they cut the wire, which means I'm going to have to splice something together to get it to work. But yeah, this is on the list also of what I need to do. Because right now I'm having to pry open, or it's even broke. I don't remember. I have to pry open the gas door to get the gas in. So let's go with the battery in, see if we can get this thing started, and we'll go from there. All right, so I need to get big heavy battery into this spot. These wires out of the way. I don't know what this is. Some piece of paper. All right, let's heave that thing in there. I looked at getting a lithium battery, $1,000. So that's not a possibility. This supposed to be a little vent hole right here, elbow, where this thing goes into, and I don't have it. I might have left it on the old battery and I turned it in. Great. Okay, well, the battery's almost in there. I just gotta do some stuff here. It's gotta be twisted a little bit. There we go. Seems about right. Alright, it's garbage. Alright, let's see if I can remember how this thing goes in. Goes like this. Goes under. This goes under here. Alright. Alright. Like that. Alright, real quick, let me show you. I had to loosen this one up here. So I got the one back there. Loosen this one up. Put that bolt in. These bolts lined up fine. Put those two in. Then I put this one in, tighten it down. Now it's all tight. So I got the positive on here. Just gotta tighten that. And now the negative goes here, but I have this that I'm going to put on for a quick disconnect. So this is going to go here. This is going to go here. And then when I want to disconnect it, I just disconnect the battery like that. And it will disconnect the battery from the car and hopefully make the battery last longer. So anyway, I got to tighten this is not, I don't know what size that is, but I need to tighten this. And these are probably 10s. That's why I got this 10. Tighten that over there. Tighten this, which is, I don't know what size that is. Hopefully it's this size, let's see. Yeah, nice. All right, so it's this size, which is a 13. So I'll tighten that, and then when the battery will be hooked up, I'll go get the key. We'll see if this thing starts up. And then I gotta put all the, once it starts up, I gotta put all this stuff back. This goes in there, and I'll be able to, there's an access hole that I can get into the battery. And then this. I have to figure out this thing here. I don't know how. Somewhere over here, I gotta take some stuff off. Get in there to that part. Anyway, let's I'll tighten this up. I'll be right back. Oh, that's a good sign. The light's on. Let's up there. I just want to lift the cover off the front. Look under the hood real quick. Make sure the engine's still there. See what it looks like under there. You know, make sure there's no cats or who knows what. God, it's all dirty in there. I don't know why I stopped driving it. Oh, hood struts. This. All right. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, oh boy. Neglected car. The screen's messed up. Wow. Oh my God. The plastic on the Tory gauge is like delaminated. And this thing here, I don't know what the heck happened there. All right, let's turn the key, see what happens. Oh yeah, start it up. Sounds just like it used to. Got a bunch of lights on, ABS fault, stability off, that's because it's... There's gas in it. Oh, that sounds so good. Doesn't smell good, burn a little rich. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to shut it off, go through all of the fluids, make sure everything is good in there. And button up the rear. Oh, these brakes are all rusted. Yeah, it's been sitting for a little while. Like I said, I don't remember, maybe a year or so. Yeah, I got to button up the rear here, and then that'll be it. Alrighty. Thanks a lot for watching. Now I gotta order. I know I need to order new hood struts for this thing now. So anyway, thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.